So Pete, what did we discover today?
Well, what we discovered today was really interesting. On that truck, which is Campbelltown 322, we got this pump. On Campbelltown 31, we got the blue pump. But the big difference between these two pumps is this pump has a different fitting to that pump. So, when we're swapping them around, we set the hose up for using this connector on that pump. But now we're going to use the other pump, we've got to turn the whole thing around. So, this connector goes on that type, as we demonstrated before. So legs out, slip it on, lock it up. And this one, we're not going to run the two pumps together. Right? We'd go in there if we were pumping from that one, but we're not, we're pumping from this one. So,
That's an interesting find, Peter.
It is
Are we
indeed.
going to test that pump?
we are going to test that pump in a minute.
Can I chuck it in the water?
You can chuck it in the water once you make sure that this is tied correctly, that it's secured on the thing, and that the float is free to float up. Now the joy of this pump, it's got a much longer cord, so we're not going to run into the problem we ran into before, where when I threw the pump in, I pulled the plug out. So you're ready for me to fire it up, Kenny? You've checked that top knot, have you?
I will in a second, Pete.
No worries, there, Kenny.
Making sure I've got and I don't fall in the water.
Yeah, because the pump goes in the water, Kenny doesn't. So, we've got this one on. I'm not so much stressed about the choke because we've been running this for half an hour now. Now, at the moment the generator's just idling because Ken's pump's not drawing any power. When his pump goes in the water and starts to draw power, then what will happen is the generator will start to work harder as it tries to pump water to Ken. Trying to get that hose as straight as possible. Because kinks slow down water flow. And when we're pumping, you normally have to pump for hours. So we want to pump as efficiently as possible. So, ready to go, Big Kenny? Ken's ready to go.
Just got to make sure it's right.
So, the big thing is these pumps are heavy, so he's got to have his feet stable. So when he transfers the weight of the pump out, only the pump goes in the water and Ken doesn't. Also, we're going to look at the drag of the hose to make sure the hose doesn't stop it. Ready when you are, Ken?
I'm ready when you are, Pete.
Go for it, Kenny.
Sure.
Yeah.
3.
Here the pump is kicked in power. There's now water charging the lines. Alright. Now, because we've got all the kinks out of the line this time, it's actually quite hard. It's pumping a decent volume of water. Now, see what I get the wind out. We're really moving some volume this time compared to last time. So this is a newer pump, and we've got the kinks out of the line. That's it.